Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss an important topic: Excel's common problems and their solutions. This could be useful for all of us as everyone often faces these issues. Topic: Problems and solutions. Problem 1: Addressing large data sets. Do you also struggle to address large data sets in Excel? This is a common problem. The solution: create macros to process data in a Pythonic and organized way and tackle big data. Problem 2: Data cleaning and filtering. Are you struggling with cleaning and filtering data? The solution is: create automated data cleaning macros and use Excel's built-in filtering and sorting features. Problem 3: Visualizations and dashboards. Are you unable to make data visible? For that, use necessary functions to create dashboards and charts in Excel. Solution 4: The importance of automation. Do you think you're not capable of solving these problems on your own? No examples? Head to data science. There, we are here to help you. Contact us at datascience446@gmail.com. Conclusion: by using these solutions in Excel, you can make your daily work smooth and simple, automate your data processing, and make your work more organized and excellent.